I'm going to show you how to activate developer options on Google Pixel Watch. Swipe down and select the gear icon for settings. Swipe up from the settings screen. Select System Settings. Swipe up from the System screen and select the About option. Swipe up on the About section and select the Versions option. Tap on the build number and keep tapping on the build number until there is no need. You are already a developer. Keep swiping right until you return to the Settings screen. Swipe up until you see Developer Options under your system settings. Swipe right to return to your home face. Congratulations, you have activated Developer Options. I am going to show you how to activate Developer Options. Open Settings and search Settings for Build Number. This should work regardless of your Android version. Keep tapping your build number until you get a security prompt. You are now a developer. Do a settings search for Developer Options. You can deactivate Developer Options by toggling the Use Developer Options switch. Let's open the Google Pixel Watch app. You should see a 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Once you have your watch screen ready, select Take Screenshot on Watch. You will be prompted to send watch screenshot. Select your email app to send your screenshot to yourself. Use your email address for both from and to address options. Select the download option on your watch screenshot image once you have received your email. Congratulations! You can now take screenshots on your Pixel Watch.